In today's fast-paced world, understanding complex data is crucial. That's where business intelligence tools come in to save the day. These tools turn raw data into actionable insights. Popular options include Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, Qlik, and the innovative Analytics Doin. Tableau shines with its user-friendly interface and stunning visualizations. Power BI integrates perfectly with Microsoft products, making it budget-friendly and cloud-based. Qlik offers advanced data modeling for those who want deep data exploration. Analytics uses AI to generate charts quickly, perfect for fast insights. All four tools provide real-time dashboards and custom reports, but your choice depends on your needs. Want ease of use? Go with Tableau. Need Microsoft integration? Power BI is your friend. For data depth, choose Qlik. For AI-driven speed, try Analytics in. No matter which tool you choose, BI transforms your data into powerful insights. It's about making informed decisions and telling your data story. Mastering BI tools means driving impact with data. Explore and choose wisely.